How we do FPV drone tours video coming
style of what we're
soon.
doing, but yeah,
The desks look a bit boring.
they do look boring. That's why I'm not spending too long on it. But it just you know, it's an office.
It looks so. Each desk has 2 screens. It looks as though it's lots and lots of people, but
Yeah. We could do something like this, you know, just
yeah.
more interesting. There's no point going lower down, but you know, with this type of machine, you can do more stuff like this.
Oh.
And go back up.